What's up, guys? This is Adam back with Adam Reviews. I actually just went on vacation to Onaway, Michigan. It's closer to the top of the lower peninsula in Michigan, and I also went across the bridge, went and saw St. Ignace. So I didn't really trade for most of last week, but as soon as I came back, I did get 2 trades right away, and they were on gold USD, so I was trading gold, and I actually used the Kangaroo tail indicator to scalp 2 trades right in a row. The first one, it did take a few hours to develop for these 2 moves, but first we got 2 kangaroo tail indicators, bullish kangaroo tails. So I took that trade, and if you're a part of our kangaroo tail chat group on Telegram, you would have gotten access to this, because basically as soon as I entered the trade, I let people know, and then after that I let people know when I got in for a sell as well. But if you're not in that group, you won't be able to see that, but I will have a link to that on my website. If you haven't signed up for my free website or my free guide, the Kangaroo guide, I did a whole presentation on how to trade kangaroo tails, how to scalp gold, how to scalp indices and forex pairs. So you can get that at my website, kangarooguide.com. But I wanted to take you in and show you, I've clipped these up so that you can I'm not going to make you waste time watching the whole moves where they developed over the couple hours, but I will show you exactly, and kind of, because I have this recorded, I'm just going to walk you through what was going through my head when I was doing this, and you should be able to see this all together in the end. But stay around to the end of the video to find out how to, scalp gold with this kangaroo tail indicator. It is one of my favorite strategies, and it's super simple, super easy for new people that are just getting started with trading. And I also have access to a broker that lets you trade smaller contract sizes so that you can trade indices like US 30 with smaller account sizes with even as little as $100. So we're going to go in here and show you exactly what was going through my head and what happened with these 2 moves. We caught 110 pips off these 2 moves within like 3 or 4 hours. These were considered scalp trades because they were open and closed in the same session. Yeah, we'll check those out. So we're going to go in here right now. Okay, so right here you can see I did make the call. I said nice V movement on a 5-minute double kangaroo tail. Sorry, I let them know a little bit late on that. I don't give signals, but I just wanted to let them know. So here we are. I moved my stop loss to break even, so there's no risk left on this trade. We're up about 26 pips at this very point in time, and we're just gonna watch this for a minute and see what happens. So when I see 2 kangaroo tails, that gives me even more indication that it's gonna go up or it's going to go down, depending on what kind of indicator you get, whether it's bullish or bearish. But I saw the 2, and it was just, there was a lot of room to the left. I feel like I had come down to a zone. It was a perfect kangaroo tail. But yeah, you can see the indicator is popping up for a bearish kangaroo tail. So that would indicate that it's going to reverse and go down. So right now I'm kind of keeping an eye on it. I brought my stop loss up, and now I'm kind of watching to see whether or not it is going to fully print, and if we will want to enter this next trade here. Okay, it has not gone under the kangaroo tail yet. There it does, so I bring the stop loss up to 60 pips. So I know this is a valid kangaroo tail, so that's why I brought the stop loss up, because I thought, you know what, it looks like it's going to turn around now. Okay, so I went in the group and I said caught 50 pips. I actually caught 60, sold after confirmed. Bearish kangaroo tail in 5 minutes. Let's see if we can ride it down. Closed and sold. So then someone says gold is dropping. So I did sell it right there. As you can see, I set my stop loss right above the top of the tail of the kangaroo, or the wick there. And we are starting off down 6 pips, and then it starts going in the direction that we want it to. Okay, I did skip it forward just a little bit. Now we're up about 11 pips on this sell on gold USD 5-minute chart. 11.3 pips right now. 12 pips. Okay, I skipped it ahead a little bit again. We're up 18 pips at this point. It did go back up a little bit, but right here we also got a kangaroo tail on the 1-minute chart for a bearish kangaroo. So that also indicates that it will continue going down. So that was just another confirmation on that one. You can see my stop loss is a little bit higher than the top of the wick on that because we're going off the top of the wick on the 5-minute chart. Okay, so that's a confirmed kangaroo there. We're already up 8 pips, and I know it's going to keep going down right there. 11 pips, 12 pips. Now it did shoot back up a little bit. I just skipped ahead. We are up about 10 pips again. But even if you would have gotten in on that 1-minute trade, it would have been good because it did not actually go up and hit where the stop loss would usually be. So we're up 25 pips at this point. And I have set my stop loss. I've set my take profit at 50 pips. I just skipped ahead a little bit. And right here, we are going to hit the 50 pip take profit. So that easy, within like about 3 to 4 hours, we got 2 really big moves. I call them in the group. So if you're not a part of the Kangaroo group chat on Telegram, you're going to want to get a part of that. You can get access to that once you get signed up with my free membership site on kangarooguide.com. So as you can see, we just hit stop loss, and that is how easy this can be to scalp gold and make money off trading gold with the Kangaroo tail indicator. So thanks for stopping by this video. I know I kept it short and sweet this time. I'm trying to shorten my videos a little bit instead of like 30-minute, 45-hour long videos. I'm trying to get them down to 5 minutes so it's easy to digest. You don't have to waste your time watching things that are irrelevant. But thank you for stopping by. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Get access to Ingot Broker so you can trade US30 and other indices. Get the Kangaroo tail indicator and all the other information that I have on my website at kangarooguide.com. So thank you for stopping by. I hope you have a good rest of your day, and I will talk to you guys on the next video.